3D printing is an exciting technology. It lets you create real objects right at home. Imagine holding your own designs in your hand. This guide will teach you how to get started. 3D printing is becoming very popular. More and more people are using it for hobbies, school projects, and even starting businesses. It's a fun and rewarding way to make your ideas a reality. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, this guide will give you the knowledge and confidence to start your 3D printing journey. Let's dive in and discover the amazing world of 3D printing. 3D printing is like magic, but it's real. It works by building objects layer by layer. Imagine making a sandcastle. You add sand one handful at a time. 3D printing is similar. The process starts with a digital design. This design is sliced into thin layers by a computer program. The 3D printer then reads these layers and begins to build. The printer uses a special material, often a type of plastic, to create the object. It heats the material and extrudes it through a nozzle. The nozzle moves precisely, following the design instructions. Layer by layer, the object takes shape. There are many different types of 3D printers. Some are big and expensive, used by professionals. Others are small and affordable, perfect for beginners. Let's look at the most common types for home use. Fused deposition modeling, or FDM, is the most popular type for beginners. FDM printers use a plastic filament like a thin wire to build objects. They are affordable and easy to use. Stereolithography, or SLA, printers use a liquid resin that hardens when exposed to light. They create very detailed and smooth prints. However, they can be more expensive than FDM printers. Digital light processing, or DLP printers, are similar to SLA printers but use a projector to cure the resin. They are known for their speed and accuracy. Choosing your first 3D printer can be exciting but also a little overwhelming. Here are some things to consider. Budget. 3D printers range in price from a few $100s to thousands. Set a budget before you start shopping. Print quality. Think about the level of detail and smoothness you need in your prints. Decide what materials you want to print with. Different printers use different materials. Ease of use. Some printers are easier to use than others. Look for printers with a user-friendly interface and good customer service. Three-dimensional printers use a variety of materials to create objects. The most common material is plastic. There are many types of printing plastics, each with its own properties. PLA, or polylactic acid, is a biodegradable plastic made from plants. It's easy to print with and comes in a wide range of colors. ABS, or acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, is a strong and durable plastic. It's often used for making toys, phone cases, and other everyday objects. PTG, or polyethylene terephthalate glycol, is a strong and flexible plastic. It's food safe and can be used for making bottles, containers, and other items. Section 6. Printing your first 3D object. A step-by-step guide. Now for the exciting part, printing your first 3D object. Here's a simplified guide to get you started. 1. Download a 3D model. You can find free and paid 3D models online on websites like Thingiverse. 2. Prepare the model. Use a program called a slicer to convert the 3D model into instructions for your printer. The slicer will also let you adjust settings like print quality and infill. 3. Load the filament. Insert the filament into your printer's extruder. 4. Start the print. Send the print job to your printer and watch as it creates your object layer by layer. Section 7. Common 3. D-printing challenges and solutions. 3D printing can be tricky sometimes. Here are some common challenges and how to overcome them. Prints not sticking to the bed. Make sure your print bed is clean and level. You can also use adhesive sprays or tapes, stringing or oozing. Adjust your printer's retraction settings to prevent the filament from oozing out between prints. Warped prints. Ensure your printing environment is warm and draft-free. You can also use an enclosure to regulate the temperature. Section 8. Level up your 3D printing skills, resources and tips. Congratulations on printing your first 3D object. Here are some resources and tips to help you continue learning and improving online communities. Join online forums and groups dedicated to 3D printing. It's a great way to connect with other makers, ask questions, and share your creations. YouTube tutorials. There are countless YouTube channels dedicated to 3D printing. You'll find tutorials on everything from basic maintenance to advanced techniques. Experiment and have fun. Don't be afraid to experiment with different settings, materials, and models. The more you print, the better you'll become. Section 9. The future of 3D printing, innovation, and beyond. 3D printing is a rapidly evolving technology with endless possibilities. The future holds exciting advancements in materials, speed, and applications. Imagine printing custom medical devices, personalized clothing, or even entire houses. 3D printing is transforming industries and empowering individuals to create like never before. As the technology continues to advance, the possibilities will only become more extraordinary. Welcome to the future of making.